In this presentation, we're going to look at binary addition, the addition of two binary numbers. Firstly, let's consider the fundamental operations we're going to use. Now, just to be clear, all the digits that we're going to use and going to mention are binary unless specified otherwise. So we have two basic operations, 0 plus 0 equals 0, and 1 plus 0 equal 1. Also, we could put that as 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So those are our two basic operations. Now, let's consider the two more advanced operations that we're going to use. These are 1 plus 1 equals 1, 0. What we do there is leave the 0 and carry the 1. The second operation is 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 1, 1. And what we do there is leave the 1 and carry the 1. So what we're going to do is add the two following binary numbers as our first example. 10101 plus 11011. In decimal form, that's 21 plus 27. So I have written the two numbers again, and I have aligned them from the right hand side, as in this is the last digit here and this is the last digit here, and I've aligned them along the same aligned each digit along the column-wise basis. So what we're going to do is carry out our operations, our addition, and what we're going to do is, starting on the right hand side and working left, carry out one of the simple operations, the fundamental operations I've mentioned previously. So in this first case we have 1 plus 1, and that is equal to 1, 0. And as I said before, what we'll do there is leave the 0 and carry the 1. So what we do is carry the 1 to the next column. So now I'm going to work on this column here now. I have 1 plus 0 plus 1. Actually, I'm just going to sort of consider that as 1 plus 1. We can ignore that 0. So 1 plus 1 is again 1, 0. So I'm going to leave the 0 and carry the 1. The same thing happens here again. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. Leave the 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 0 plus 1 is 1, 0. Leave the 0, carry the 1. So we have 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 1, 1. So we're going to leave the 1 and carry the 1 to the next column. So we just have 1 here on its own on the last column. So that's our answer there. The answer is 110000, and in decimal form that's 48. Here's a second example. Add the two following binary numbers, 101101 plus 101010, and in decimal form that is 45 plus 42. So here's my two numbers again, aligned from the right hand side, one on top of the other, so that each respective digit is paired up with the next with the corresponding digit of the other number. So what we're going to do now is start from the right hand side and work towards the left. So 1 plus 0 equals 1, 0 plus 1 equals 1, 1 plus 0 equals 1, 1 and 1, that's 1, 0, leave the 0, carry the 1, 1 plus 0 is just 1, and 1 plus 1 is 1, 0, so leave the 0 and carry the 1. So there we have it there, the answer 1010111, and that's 87 in decimal form.